If you want to create your own routine on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, then first we need to go to the settings, and then in the settings we need to go to modes and routines, and then over here at the bottom switch to routines. Then we can press this plus button over here in the top right corner, and now we are creating a routine. First we need to choose the trigger, the condition, what should happen in order to make this routine work. So let's say we're gonna choose for instance, a specific time. So let's say we're gonna choose 9 a.m. There we go. Let's switch to a.m. Then we can also choose if it should repeat every week, every day, or in specific days of the week. So let's say I'm gonna choose Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And then let's press done. So now this routine will be triggered at a chosen time because I have created this condition. Of course, you can create multiple conditions. And then we can choose what should happen if that condition is met. So let's say we can, for example, go to the battery, and then we can go to the power saving option and turn it on. So now at 9 a.m. every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, the power saving option will be enabled, and then we can press save. We can also create the icon. So let's say we're gonna choose something like this. We can also go to the gallery in order to choose a photo, I guess, or use the camera instead, and then we can press done. And there we go, we have our automatic routine. You can create multiple of them, so feel free to create as much as you wish to. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!